In today's video, I will walk you through how to buy crypto on Gate. Whether you're purchasing Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, or another supported cryptocurrency, Gate offers a quick and convenient way to buy crypto using your debit card, credit card, or other available payment methods. Let's get started. Before you can purchase crypto with fiat currency, make sure you've completed the required identity verification, or KYC. This helps keep the platform secure and unlocks access to fiat purchase services. Once you're logged in, hover over Buy Crypto in the top navigation menu and select Bank Card or your preferred purchase option. In the Buy Crypto tab, start by selecting the fiat currency you'd like to pay with, such as US dollars, euros, or another supported currency. Next, choose the cryptocurrency you want to receive. You can select popular assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or USDT. Enter either the amount of fiat you'd like to spend or the amount of crypto you'd like to buy. Gate will automatically calculate the estimated amount you'll receive based on the current market price. Review the available options, including exchange rates, payment methods, fees, and estimated processing times. Choose the provider that best fits your needs, then click Buy. You'll be redirected to the provider's secure payment page to complete the transaction. Follow the instructions provided by the payment processor. Depending on the provider, you can pay using a debit card, credit card, bank transfer, or another supported payment method. After your payment is successfully processed, the purchased cryptocurrency will be credited to your Gate account. Processing times may vary depending on the payment provider and your chosen payment method. And that's how you buy crypto on Gate.